Well, the first thing I notice around here is there's no effing place to park. There's just no place to park. Not a single place. I feel like I'm in Chicago. I'm rather confused. Whatever the situation is, it's been changed drastically. Okay, so this is the main hall. Just a little different. That's where the destination sign used to be, to the right of the door there. This is where the gift shop used to be. So these pews are sort of reminiscent of the old pews in that they've got lights on them. Okay, so there's about 15 feet of building missing here. And apparently this is all light rail. But this Gothic sort of station was kind of inserted in a longer building that was made of granite quarried up at Morrison. So it's really kind of two stations in one. Holy crap. This is sure. Down here is where the mail loading platform used to be. Well, I don't really see any major damage to the building. This is facing Wynkoop Street. God, it's so disorienting. Lunch counter used to be over there. Oh yeah, that's right. Who could forget the round fluorescent light fixtures? Those are gone. Or were they square? Okay, that was the ticket window. Or those were the ticket windows were there. I think the lunch counter was over here. Wow. So from the south end, to the north end. Old neon sign. Travel by train. 9:15. No wonder I'm so tired. Well, I guess all things considered, the old use was not the highest and best use. On a Saturday night, there might have been 10 people milling around in there. Tonight, there's got to be 300 between the venues in the two wings and the main hall. I never did really figure out where the hotel part of the hotel was. Perhaps the second floor of the wings?